In CNN News 18 has accessed the 7 exclusive pictures of Jaish terrorists who are currently active in Jammu region. These young terrorists have been uh, infiltrated into India by Pakistan. They're now operating in various districts of Jammu, including Kathua, Udhampur, Doda and Kishtwar. These photos were taken by the terrorists themselves while they were in the upper reaches of Jammu. Security agencies have launched a massive manhunt to eliminate these terrorists. Now we have these exclusive visuals coming in of these Jaish terrorists. I want to go across to Tejinder joining us with more details. Much of 2023 and 2024, Tejinder, has seen this shift in pattern by these Pakistan-based terrorists who've been infiltrating into our country. And now we have these exclusive images with us. Before we talk about the plan in place by the security personnel, tell us a little bit about these terrorists and the pictures we've accessed.
Yes, Krishwin, you see, of late there has been an increase in the infiltration of Pakistani terrorists into the Indian side, and now News 18 has accessed pictures of these 7 dreaded terrorists who have been pushed in by the Pakistani side into the Indian territory. These 7 terrorists are active in Jammu region. They are active in regions like Kathua, Udhampur, Doda and Kishtwar. And these all belong to the Jaish-e-Mohammed terror outfit that has been banned by India, that has been banned by the United States. But Pakistan continues to harbor these terrorists, train them, push them into the Indian side. They are equipped with sophisticated arms and ammunition, and this group has been responsible for carrying out various terror-related incidents in the upper reaches of Jammu. These pictures were clicked by these terrorists themselves, and the security agencies have got hold of these pictures, and now a massive manhunt has already been launched by the security agencies to nab or eliminate these terrorists. These terrorists are equipped with sophisticated arms and ammunition. They have recently infiltrated into the Indian side, and you can see from these pictures that these are very young terrorists. They are young and they have been highly radicalized. The sources within the agency also say that it is highly likely that these are madrasa. These terrorists have studied in madrasas from where they were radicalized by the Pakistani ISI. They were sent to the Jaish-e-Mohammed terror training camp, and after that getting training at Jaish terror training camps in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which are run by the Pakistan Army, the ISI. Then they were pushed into Jammu region. The arms and ammunition, it is believed that which they are carrying were dropped to them by using drones, and now they are active. They are responsible for carrying out various terror-related incidents in Jammu region. But yes, a massive manhunt is underway. Various security agencies, be it the Army, the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police, is trying to hunt these terrorists. Yes, Christine.
Okay, all right. You know what's also interesting is, Tejinder, that these images, these pictures have been shared by these terrorists themselves, which we've seen in the past as well. You know, they more or less do attempt to reach out to those who perhaps, could be inclined to joining them in the near future, and we've seen that mode of communication by these terrorists, the messaging that they continue to do via misuse of social media in the past as well. Have they been sending out some messages alongside these visuals? You know, for example, the Burhan Wani episode is a classic example of how they were attempting to reach out to some to attempt to radicalize them. Was that witnessed in this particular case?
Yes, Christine, there are certain messages which the security agencies are looking into. If you remember, just a couple of days ago, security forces eliminated a terrorist in Jammu region, and they recovered a mobile phone from his possession. And they could also, when they checked the mobile phone, they saw certain videos of those terrorists. There was a gory video of them killing a civilian in the area. So these videos and pictures are shot by these terrorists to send across to Pakistan, to their handlers, so as to tell them that they are active in the region. And also these pictures are used to radicalize the youth in Jammu and Kashmir, to show them. You rightly pointed out that Burhan Wani, the dreaded Hizbul Mujahideen terrorist, also used social media to attract more and more youth to join his ranks. So this could be one of the reasons that pictures showing these arms and ammunition which these terrorists are carrying were clicked by them so as to motivate other youth in the region to join them. But yes, these pictures would now help security forces, security agencies to identify these terrorists and eliminate them. But this is a ploy of Pakistan to radicalize the youth in Jammu and Kashmir, because after the abrogation of Article 370, there has been a remarkable decline in the number of Kashmiri youth
a remarkable
joining
decline,
terror
but
acts.
Tejinder, this new shift, to the Rajouri Poonch Kathua sector after being quiet for 2 long decades, and these are some of the exclusive pictures that CNN News 18 has managed to access. But many thanks for joining us with all those details.